Hello, you are welcome to Guz's Kitchen. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss on any of my delicious and simple recipes. Today we are making a simple seafood boil, and this is a delicious recipe. So let's, do it together. These are the ingredients that we are going to be working with. So I'm just going to quickly go over them. I'm going to put them under the description for you to be able to get everything correctly. I have some crabs, I have lobster tail, I have shrimps, corn, sausage. You can use any sausage. This one is turkey sausage. You can use pork if you eat pork, whatever sausage type you like. I have ginger. I have a lot of garlic, onion, shallots, butter, salt, and I'm going to be using Cajun seasoning. Yeah, that's kind of a seasoning that I like for my seafood. Yes, and I also have lemon. We are going to start adding the ingredient. The first I'm adding is the corn. This is a purple gooey corn. It's a very tasty and delicious corn. So that will be going first. For my shrimp, I did not remove the shell. I just removed the intestine, but you can decide to just remove your own shell or use the one that has been cleaned already. So right now I'm going to be cutting and then adding the sausage. Sausage is actually not compulsory because some people don't like sausage because of the stories that surround how it's been made. But if you don't like it, you can skip it. You can always have some other, substitutes that you can use. Yeah. Here I'm adding shallot. Shallot is a smaller onion that tastes very good. It's not compulsory if you don't have it. Here I'm be adding the Cajun seasoning, which is one of the seasonings that is usually used for seafood boil. But you can use any seasoning that you like. You can create your own seasoning. This is why it is better to make your own seafood boil by yourself, because you can control the seasoning, you can control the salt, because most of the ones they have in the stores are they have too much salt. So you can really control that here, and you get your own, unique taste that you desire. Yeah, I'm adding seafood seasoning. Yeah, making your own seafood boil is very cheap, because if you want to buy a whole bowl of seafood broil from restaurant, you're going to be spending nothing less than $120 or $130, $40, $50. You understand? But with this one, with just $60 or $50, you can prepare this. You just get each of those ingredients, and then you just put everything together, and your family can just enjoy a wonderful seafood boil. So here I'm also adding some lemon to give it that little tangy and to remove all the seafood smell or taste from the boil. So right now, mixing everything together, and I'm going to be taking it to the stove. Now our seafood has been boiling for like 10 minutes. We can see how everything is coming together. The ingredients are really soaking the seasonings, and the aroma is so good. Yes. So we're going to be patient and let everything cook very well so that they can all have a uniform taste and flavor. Yes, now I'm going to be checking on this corn to make sure it's cooked, because if it's not well cooked, you cannot enjoy. It's a kind of it's a corn that came from Africa. It's not soft like most of the corns that we have here, so that you don't need to cook for so long. But this one, you need to cook it down so that you can really enjoy it. Yeah, now I have some boiled egg, which I'm going to be adding also. So the boiled egg it's not compulsory if you don't like it, but I love it. And I usually like to add it towards the end because I don't want the egg to be overcooked. After cooking it for like extra 3 minutes for the eggs, I take it down, and we can see how gorgeous this looks. It smells so amazing, and it's very cheap to make and easy to make. No extra work. So we can get your ingredient, put everything together, and you make yourself a very nice seafood boil which your family can eat and enjoy, eat as much as they want. Yeah, this is so amazing. If you have watched this video to this end and you like it, you enjoyed it, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel if you have not. And if you are returning viewers and subscribers, thank you so much for your love and for your help to this channel. Yes. Yeah, another important reason why you should make your own seafood broil is because you can control the salt. There was a time I bought one like that for my family, and the salt was too much, and the oil. So with this one, I just used 1 stick of butter, and this is so moderate, and the salt and everything is so perfect. You can remember that seafood is already salty. They have salt. They have their natural salt. So you can control everything and the taste. This is so amazing. This recipe is a good addition to your dishes when you have like a party, and when you just make a big pot of seafood broil like this and you bring it on the table for your guests, I'm telling you, they will love it. This is a very special addition that we can, with just a little money, we can just, level up our entertainment for our guests or our families. Yes, thank you for watching video. If you like it, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss any of my simple and delicious recipes which I bring to you from time to time. So let's enjoy more videos on my channel. Thank you for watching and remain blessed. See you in my next.